How to buy from G2G in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide exactly how you can buy safely from G2G even if you've never used an online game marketplace before, so you don't waste money or fall into common beginner mistakes. G2G is an online marketplace where people buy and sell game items, in-game currency, accounts, and digital services. Because it connects buyers directly with sellers, the most important thing is knowing how to choose the right listing and protect yourself during checkout. The process itself is simple once you know what to look for. Start by going to G2G and creating an account. You only need an email address and a password. Once logged in, use the search bar to find the game and item you want. This could be currency, an item, or a service like boosting. After searching, you'll see many listings from different sellers offering the same thing at different prices. Before clicking buy, check the seller carefully. Look at the rating, number of completed orders, and how long they've been active. Sellers with high ratings and lots of completed transactions are usually safer. Also, read the delivery description so you know how the item will be delivered and how long it should take. When you're ready, click the listing and choose the quantity you want. Double check the game, server, and platform to make sure everything matches what you need. Then proceed to checkout. G2G will hold your payment safely until the seller delivers, which helps protect you as a buyer. After payment, follow the instructions provided by the seller. Some deliveries are instant, while others require messaging the seller through G2G's chat system. Keep all communication on the platform so there's a clear record if anything goes wrong. Once the item is delivered and confirmed, mark the order as completed. Only do this after you've received exactly what was promised. If there's a problem, you can open a dispute before confirming, and G2G support can step in if needed. Buying from G2G is safe when done correctly. Stick to trusted sellers, read listings carefully, and never rush through confirmation. If you follow these steps, you can buy confidently and avoid most beginner issues.